Today's video is all about insulating the van. I'm gonna use this stuff, which is like ceiling insulation bats. This one has an R rating of -5, which I think is, when I did my research, it looks like this stuff should work. Having said that, my research was a little bit inconclusive. Some people are like, you really should insulate the van, and other people are like, it's the biggest waste of money and waste of time. So I'm doing it. I don't know what value it would have. I'm kind of just doing it as a token thing, but you know, hopefully it works. My van has these cavities, if that's what they're called, already in there, so that's lucky, because all I need to do then is these are quite thick, cut them to size, pop them in here, and the roof as well already has, you know, these things. So hopefully using just this spray, the Sikaflex spray glue, spray it on there, stick it up there, and then if I need to, I've got cotton that I'll just zigzag across to hold it in place while I'm ready, while I cut my plywood lining boards to go across. So I think that's it. Hopefully, I mean, right now this step to me is the most simple one so far. I don't expect it to be too difficult, but I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. It's actually quite complicated, but yeah, wish me luck. Oh my golly. Whoa. Probably need a little bit more space. Which side am I doing first? Should I wear gloves for this? Should I wear gloves? Are these? I mean, it's Earthwool. I think it should be fine. Okay. Okay, maybe I won't use gloves. What's that? Look at this giant wheat mix. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should just, do I just cut it? I don't know. I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright. I think I'm just gonna cut it. Oh no, that's not gonna work right. Okay, no. I want to go here. Okay, that seems to work. This seems to work. I should probably do this. Now I somehow need to stuff this in here. Okay. Alright, maybe I need to cut it one more time. It's like, oh my golly, it's so thick. I mean, that's it, right? And then it's gonna get covered. Maybe I should do this part first. Oh yeah, that's better. There you go. Here we go. Okay, that's this. It seems to be working. Okay. I mean, I guess that's what I'm doing, and I'll just do it all across. Okay. This thing is not doing very well. I actually don't even know if I need it. I mean, it's sticking on quite well. It's just the problem is I dropped it, and so this thing fell off. So now it's just spraying glue everywhere, which isn't ideal. Look at my hands. This whole thing is going to get covered in lining anyway, so that's fine. I'm not too fussed about that. Okay, I'm going to go do the rest, and I'll show you how it finishes later. Oh, I can't do this. Okay, here's an update. I'm not going to take this off because it's so dusty in here, but that side's all done. Here's done. Well, almost done. Here's a tip that I found. And so far this has been probably the most enjoyable experience of the van build. But for these things, because it's like, it goes in quite deep, I found it's easier to do it this way. You go in and then press down, and then that. Then what I do is I take all these leftover ones and I just stuff it in there, and then put some more. Oh, and there's stuff up there too. So then I do this, and I just get it in. I mean, it's actually really enjoyable. So far I complained that this van has been really annoying because you know, just because it was an ambulance and like gutting it and stuff, but this so far has been a blessing that I can just do this and not have to worry about cutting polyiso foam and whatnot. This so far has been a very good experience. So here it is, almost done. Got all the side ones in, and I just need to do the ceiling, but I didn't say before that I think I'm going to do one more step, and I'll show you what that is. The issue I have is that now that I've insulated that door, which is the main door I used to come in and out from, when I close it, it's just going to trap all of that. It is really dusty in here as well. And I reckon if I start driving, if I don't cover these up and just cover it with the lining, some particles are going to get through. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this silver wrap and this insulation tape. And I'm just going to tape around it to trap it all in. So that's, yeah, going to do that now. With the blue side facing out. Blue side facing out, okay. Anyway. So this is the van, all the side walls done. Yeah. Now I'm going to do the ceilings.